Okay, today we are going to actually configure material master, and some of the configuration is not yet aligned. Okay, we'll do that first, and then we'll test it. Test the material master. Logistics, material master, configuring data streams. Okay, we need short tab pages 21 data streams and 21 basic data. Substreams. Now we can have a look at the data first on the data stream. Okay, we have material with this base unit of measure division. Okay, optimization group, gross weight. Okay, this can be entered, weight unit, kg. Okay. Required fields, not now, exit. Fair enough. Data screens. Save for subscreens. Okay, data screen. We need a material group. Data fields. We need MRP. MRP 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So we have that. We have MRP 1, MRP 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, sounds good. That is there. Let's check MRP 1, 2, and 3, and 4, because we have to actually get material master ready with everything in place before we can plan our capacity. Okay. Base unit of measure MRP type. Now, MRP type should be PD, which is we need an MRP controller. Okay, it's there. We need a purchasing group MRP. 031. We need it for the plant. One thing. We need an MRP also important. Not sizing procedure, lot for lot quantity. MRP2. In-house production land delivery time, schedule emergency have to be maintained. Okay. Make to stock production. We have multiple categories for planning. Vehicle assembly, planning at assembly, and so on. Okay, strategy group is 01. Fair enough, we don't need anything to enter. The screen is 21. Standard. And we'll ask industry sector is mechanical. Yeah. Field reference transaction equals 21. Okay. As well. So all users. By star it means it applies to all users. Options 01. We have all industries. Okay. But screen sequence 21. Okay, services and ROH again for M force. Put it for mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering. Okay. M. Okay. Save. Okay, this is done. Types.